Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, we have a mail call from Cat in the North and D. Thomas. They sent me a Christmas card. Look at that. Appreciate that. I'm actually really dragging my feet on Christmas cards. I need to get my ass in gear. That's a really nice card. Thank you, brother and sister. I appreciate that. And here's her sticker. And it's, I love this camera, but the zoom is pretty slow. So her sticker is right here. Next to, underneath Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures, Calzona Outdoors, Nicholson Family Homestead, the late Bill Melton, Fab Creations, Orion, Celicia Shell. Sweet. Thank you. Oop. Alrighty, let's get to the drawing. Now before I draw, I'm going to be adding a few names in here, which they may be in here, but we'll just make sure. A little redundancy. I added Through Failure We Succeed in here, JBL 5 Acre Homesteads in here, Chris Bentley's in here, a few people. Give this guy a real good shake. Make sure they're well mixed. And Mr. Fullautoak is 47. Wow, I don't know why I couldn't say that. Mr. Fullautoak47. Haven't seen a video from you in a while, brother, so I hope you will. These are this week's channel shout out. And I still got quite a few left. So. Okay, so real quick, Mr. Fullautoak47 doesn't have a channel sticker. At least if he does, I never got one. So, if you're watching, brother, and you got a sticker, email me and I'll get you a sticker out. We can exchange stickers. Also, and anyone who didn't know this, there's a playlist for all these channels. Down in the description is also linked on the end card. There's last week's shout out, the playlist, my channel, and then their channel. So whoever the week's shout out is. So if you missed any, you can go back. I think the longest video is like 3 minutes at most. So they're all real quick, short. So if you missed any and you want to check them out, or you just scroll through the list, if you see a name that you recognize, oh, I've seen this guy commenting, you can click it, boom, there's their channel link. Alright, well there we go, this week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But, you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you. And I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.